protect profits. Oh, I hate it when I can't see it. Oh no, I might have missed the opportunity. Dang it, too slow trying to get the video recording going. Just a reminder, nothing in this video is trading advice or signals or anything like that. If it sounds like I'm talking to you or giving you advice, I'm not. I'm just talking to myself, and you're getting to watch this video and listen in. All right, let's get on to today's video. All right, here we are, Sunday night, April 6th. I'm going to jump into gold, a little bit of a casino trade right now. We're just broke an important level, one contract. This is the 5 minute, this 1 minute candle is huge as well. I'm going to scalp a little bit off of gold right now. I hope this doesn't hurt me too bad. Just need a little bit more continuation. We got, looking at the 30-minute candle right now, I need to switch over to the 1 minute candle. Stuff's happening fast here, traders. We got 20 seconds, 18 seconds. I need to move down to protect profits. Oh, I hate it when I can't see it. Oh no, I might have missed the opportunity. Dang it, too slow trying to get the video recording going first.
Order filled.
And there we go, I'm out. I'm out. $2,000 loss right there, traders. Oh, I'm so angry right now. I was trying to get the video recording going first, and then I just took a $2,000 loss when I was about to capture a nice profit. Well, I gotta get over that, man. I gotta get over the idea that I feel like I need to record stuff, talk about it first, tell you what I'm gonna do, and then do it. This way there's some credibility behind what I'm saying. I need to just trade. And it is what it is. If I don't get recording going, if I don't get to talk about it, is what it is. I was looking to capture that bounce inside of this area here. And let me go to the 30-minute candle and show you what an epic fail. So let's shrink this down. Pull this over. So gold opened tonight, spiking down in here, retraced back up. I got a really nice setup on my Thinkorswim monitor for the rollback over for another run deeper inside of here, potentially all the way to the bottom here. And I jumped into the trade with one contract. And it was a big move. It was a big move, but it was worth the risk because I was confident that I was going to be able to capture at least a decent chunk of that trade. And it started happening. I was going to get in right back at the break of this here, which was at 317, and then get out, start trailing a stop somewhere in here. You know, so 17-point move, which is $1,700 move, would have been epic. Even if I just captured, you know, $1,400 of that move, would have been really, really great. And it was almost a guaranteed trade. But because I was more concerned about my channel and getting things going, and then I hate on Topstep where if I pull the thing down and it's in front of the candle, I can't actually see where it's falling within the wick, or if it's in the body. You know, did I pass the body? Is it in the wick? Where am I? So then I have to move this over, and then I got to do it again because I forgot to move it over first. All those little things, and when things are happening fast, you know, you can't afford that. So now I wish I would have just left my target and just took the 200, but this is like $1,500 trade. Unfortunately, I got in late as well. Where did I get in at? So I got in way down here. I was way late on the trade as it is. So I really just needed to take that $200. Man, I was so late. I have no words. Down $2,000. Here's my stats. I'm glad that I had this in effect, my DLL, because I could have blew up my account just now. All right, so here we are. So now my account is down to $2,919 in profit, which is really not profit. That really translates to my account is about $1,400 in the red, $1,500 in the red is what that means. So, you know, yeah, epic fail. So that puts the account right now. If I hit 150,000, I blow the account. At 154,500 is where I start building a buffer, which is where I was. Had a few $100 buffer in there, and then just took that $2,000 loss. The other thing about it is, I was more than halfway to passing the combine, and I really, really want to pass it this week. Part of the reason why I took that trade just now, even though it was a bit risky, it was almost guaranteed as long as I did everything right, which I didn't. Um, but if I don't pass my combine this week, then they're going to rebill me for another $150, and I really don't want to get rebilled another $150 when I could pass this combine and be good to go. And if I fail it, then I could just start it over. It's not that in the green where it wouldn't hurt me to start it over. So I'd rather pass or blow it before rebill is the way I see it, and then just start over. Now, if I was $500 away from passing and I got rebuild, maybe it's worth it, $150, and I'm right there to cross the finish line. But being $4,000 away from passing, I'd rather just pop it than to get rebuild. So, but that's me. That's my strategy, my plan, and I blew it tonight. All right, traders, I think I'm going to jump in for another trade here. I think I might try to trade my way out of this hole a little bit here. Buy. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, yeah, I'm missing the move again. Now I'm missing the move again because I would have to change this. 3,000, which would be the normal DLL for this account. Missing the move again right there. Boom. Look at that. $600 right there. $600 right there I just missed out on. You know what? I don't have to make it back tonight. I'm already making mistakes again, so I'm going to call it a night. All right. See you, traders. See you on Tuesday. Can't be trading when I'm making fails like this. The downside to it is the profit potential is pretty epic tonight and tomorrow, and I'm not going to be able to participate. So that's just too bad. All right, buddy. Yeah, look at it. Man. All right. See you Tuesday.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, so here we are past another evaluation account, 150K combine, passed it. So it's awesome. The first time I passed 150K evaluation, I went into my Express Funded account, and then from there moved on to Live. The downside to it was when they moved me to Live last time, they moved me with $10,000 in my account. I took some payouts, so I made more than that, but I only had $10,000 when they moved me over to Live, and I do not want to get moved to Live again with a $10,000 account. So that would be a little bit of a disaster for my trade plan, because then my risk will have to be so high for me to be able to make the money that I want to make. I don't want to risk 25%, on a trade to make money. I want to be able to move to Live and risk 2 to 3% and make my money. So I'm really hoping I can get to Live with at least $50,000 in my account. So I'm thinking about deviating from my trade plan. So while I'm talking about this, I'll just let you look at my stats here real quick. But I'm thinking about deviating from my trade plan. My trade plan says that I need to trade my Express Funded account now until I make $10,000, and then take 50% payout, which with Topstep, you can take 5 payouts in your Express Funded account. That's it, only 5. And the most you could take in a payout is $5,000. And the most you could take from your account is 50%. After 5 payouts, then you automatically go to a Live account. So my plan has me make $10,000, take a $5,000 payout, use that $5,000 to get 4 more combines, 150K combines, and then pass those 150K combines, turn them in express funded accounts, and then trade all 5 express funded accounts copy trading. And then once I get above $15,000, start taking $5,000 payouts every $10,000. And then what that all translates to is I'll take about $125,000 in payouts and have $100,000 or so to move over to live if they don't move me over before I get my 5 payouts. So that's what my plan calls for, because this way my payout pays for what's happening next. I really want my investment to be low. So right now I have a once I go in the express funded account, I have a $300 investment, and that $300 investment I want to turn into $1 million. What I'm thinking about doing instead is getting my 4 more combines right now and start trading them with my express funded account, slow growing, and when they pass, they pass. My concern is if I just go in with the one express funded account, that once my account has $10,000 in it, before I even get my payout, they're going to try to move me to live. That's my concern. And then I'll miss out on that opportunity to copy trade all those accounts and make a bunch of money. And I really don't want to miss out on that. So I'm conflicted right now of, do I follow my plan? I'm going to lock this out real quick just to make sure I don't make any mistakes. Do I follow my plan, or do I deviate, get those other combines so that hopefully I don't get moved over before I make a bunch of money? That's the question. So we'll see. We'll see what I decide to do on my next video. But one thing you saw in this video with that little compilation, it's a lot of short winners because I basically just grinded it out, traders. Grinded it out in the evening session. It was choppy. Didn't want to give away profits. Didn't want to blow up my account. And then when I had the winners, I let the winners run, took that money, and we're good to go. All right, see you on the next video.